What's up?
What's up? What's up, mga pamangkink? Illuministes, Illuminephews, kung ano man
dapat
ang
i
tatawag namin
dapat
sa
i-ano
inyo.
natin, dapat ipa-survey natin 'yan
Ipa-survey
for
na natin
something.
kung ano. Pero
Oo,
ako,
mukhang
interchangeable,
i-ano
okay
na
lang.
lang siya.
Okay lang yun.
Kailangan meron tayong
Oo.
specific one.
And
I-drop din niyo sa comments kung ano sa
mag-comment
tingin
kayo.
ninyo yung puwede para meron tayong konting interaction, mga manonood, 'no?
Yes.
So, for today, our topic is, as you can see on the slides, we're actually already nearing set champs,
Yeah.
'no?
Ay,
So,
teka. Lorcan Tito Ian, ano nga pala, bago tayo magsimula, gusto ko lang i-highlight na paglabas ng episode na to, monthsary na ng Lorcan Tito. 1 month na
one
tayo.
month na
1 month na
tayo.
tayo. Kaya congratulate natin ang mga sarili natin. At sana
1 month
sa...
na tayo naglolokohan ng name-drop ng mga nanonood.
Hindi naman
1
tayo
month na tayo
naglolokohan.
nakakabudol ng ano, ng mga viewers.
Ayun. Pero yun nga, just to relate it back to Set Champs, di ba? Ngayon, we're congratulating ourselves for 1 month. Pero sana, sa inyong lahat at sa atin din, i-congratulate natin yung sarili natin o kung sino man ang mananalo sa Set Champs na ating
Yeah,
i-discuss ngayon. Di
we
ba?
have a few. So what we'll be discussing what set champs is. A lot of you might probably know this one, but for the newer players and maybe just some reminders to the veterans kung ano ba talaga yung mga dapat nating pagdaanan. So again, to reiterate mga kaibigan, we'll be looking at things that you can do to prepare for set champs. No? But to start off, we have to say what set champs
Oo nga,
is.
ano ba talaga ang Set
So
Champs?
Set Champs is the competitive event that is held at the very tail end of the set. No? So we have Set Champs a month before a new set will arrive. So actually yun nga sinasabi ko, isang ubo na lang, November, isang buwan na lang, set 10 na tayo. So we're going into spoiler seasons already. So
Yeah.
medyo malapit-lapit na yan, no? But set champs again is kumbaga the crowning jewel or crowning event of the set. This will be the first time that we will have set champs in the
Yeah.
Philippines. And
First
I'm
ng
actually
Pilipinas.
excited to join kasi parang finally we can get all those good swag, no?
Yes.
Na dati pinapang-prize lang, pinapadala sa atin ng ating mga compatriots from the overseas,
Yes.
no?
And meron na tayong opportunity para sabihin ng, Uy, Philippines, pag na-feature ang Pilipinas.
Philippines,
So,
actually.
Uy, Philippines, di ba?
So actually, this is a good chance for people to actually place well and get featured in Inkdex. So there will be some stores. I will make sure that at the very least sa OHS makakapag-submit ng set champs results. I think in some of the other stores like Hobby Stadium, you should.
Yeah.
Yun magsasubmit din yun. Probably High Market will also. And I encourage all the other stores to keep track of this and i-post ninyo for more visibility
Yeah,
to the world
definitely.
para hindi tayo maiwan. No? At
Okay.
kasama pa din tayo sa meta ng mundo. No? So, how do you know when set chaps will be? Please do check the socials. No? So far, we have only one declared set champs on October 11 sa Hobby Stadium.
Lapit na nun.
Yeah, from what I know as well, Ogekko's Hobby Shop will be the week after. So by the time na lumabas itong episode na to, probably na-announce na siya.
Yeah.
So the
Abangan
other
natin yun.
stores will also have their own. So abangan ninyo or pwede niyong kulitin yung mga store ninyo, no, na malapit sa inyo. But just do know that usually set champs are done on the weekend, either on the Saturday or on the Sunday, and set champs only happen once in a store. So parang store champion ang kinalabasan yan. And again, please join your weeklies, please
Yes,
join
doon
your
kayo
set champs.
magpa-practice.
Kasi kapag hindi kayo umabot ng 8, most likely hindi siya matutuloy.
Ay, ano bang format dito sa set champs, Lurkat dito?
Core
Core
constructed
constructed.
tayo.
Okay.
Nakalimutan kong ilagay sa slides.
Okay lang
But
yun.
anyway,
It's core
but
constructed.
anyway,
Hindi siya sealed kagaya ng mga sinalihan natin recently. Ito
mm.
na, ano bang mga
So,
mapapanalunan natin
bakit
dyan?
importante ang set champs, no? So, malaki yung prizes and usually these these are chachings, no? Especially yung champion mat. They fetch a good price online. I think from what I recall, nasa mga siguro cheapest will be at 30 USD to 40, mga ganun. Could be more,
Not
no?
bad.
And the longer you have it, the more expensive it
Yeah,
becomes,
lalo na
no?
kung first set champ, di ba yung mga una pang set champs.
Yep.
So it
I
increases
think
value as it
uh,
ages.
yeah, I think the Stitch one way back set 3 umaabot ng 100 plus.
Wow.
Actually 200 plus. So depende rin actually. And of course itong Maleficent yung ating art for the set, no. So first place for set champs will get one champion mat and a full art Maleficent Dragon, which is yung art na nakikita ninyo dito sa slide, no? So, full art yung makuha ninyo. Then, everybody who joins the set champs will also get a participation Maleficent Dragon, no? So, yay! Ano
Yung
siya?
yung
Hindi siya
non-foil.
full art. It's a non-foil, but it's still a Maleficent
Yeah.
Dragon. Na-alternate yung art. And I know some people that want the art. So, kung gusto niyo ibenta, meron mga taong bibili, no?
Yeah.
It's not that expensive at launch. Usually nagmamahal siya over time, eh.
Mhm.
So if you want to sell them, maybe keep them for a bit and then just figure out later on. No? So until supplies last, kasi each store will have their own allocation. So unahan siya. I know that there's enough for people, pero parang just to make sure na mag-register kayo para mapaghandaan. No? And
Yep,
all
yep.
of the other stores, depending on the store, will also have additional swag from the OP kit. Pwede sila magdagdag. They could actually add packs for prizes, depende. But don't expect cash kasi nakalagay sa official rules ng Robin's Burger, bawal.
Bawal
No?
yun.
But of course, we're playing for this kasi malaki yung, I mean like, these are good stuff. No? Tapos yung playmat actually nakalagay champion. So kung meron ka
Mhm.
nito, tapos sumali ka in weeklies sa mga succeeding, alam nila na nanalo ka. And you
Parang,
are bested at the very least 8 people.
ayun nga, parang ano
Diba?
yan, parang WWE Championship belt yan, pwede mong ibalanda sa shoulder mo na nakagano.
Pwede. Or pwede mo rin benta.
Pwede mo
Okay rin
ibenta.
lang. Some people, I mean, like, kung meron ka ng mat na happy ka na,
But
pwede
you
mo
do
naman
it for the
ibenta.
glory.
Well, we have that now. So, we're going to the meat of the podcast. So, ano yung kailangan yung dalhin? So, syempre, bring yourself, no? When you say bring yourself, be ready,
Yung
no?
ulirat
Kasi,
nyo, dalhin nyo din.
be ready,
Yes.
get a good night's sleep. Na
Mentally,
tapos mentally,
physically.
physically, well, kung kaya ninyong kumain right before, it would also be um recommended.
Yeah.
No?
Do your business,
Tapos
whatever
do your
business you,
business
yeah.
before. Hindi
The
mahirap
number
yung
one and the number
during
twos.
oo, oo, mahirap in between, no. So next is you should bring your deck. Now, the deck choice, again, we have a discussion on that later. Pero kung wala kayong deck at kung hindi kayo confident sa deck na meron kayo, pwede naman actually kayong humiram. No?
Mm,
The community is inviting enough. No? And some people actually bring extra decks for
yeah.
people to play. Just reach out to the peoples, no?
Yeah.
And they will most likely have.
And
So,
hindi
ang
naman
alam ko
kailangan
na
na
may,
deck lang mismo, 'di ba? Pwede rin yung ano lang. Yung kahit yung mga piyesa lang na missing nyo, 'di ba?
well, if you're
Ah,
missing some cards, it's fine. No, actually, to make it a little bit more formal, no, we don't allow proxies
mhm.
for
Ayun
set
pala, sa Chef
champs.
Champs, bawal yun.
Bawal yon kasi official competitive event siya and everything should be legit. So, either humiram ka ng deck na buo or kung meron kang kulang na cards, humiram ka from other people, it's also fine. No? As long as balik ninyo, di ba? Madali naman kausap yung mga tao. Kami, we would have some decks around that we could share. No? Again, they won't be tier decks, but good enough. Ako, feeling ko marami tayong mga decks na if you just do well, if luck is on your side, makakapag-place ka pa din.
Kahit
No?
maka top 8 kaya. Siguro kaya maka
Yep.
top 8.
Yep, meron kaming standing goal with one of the players. Sinabi ko, I want you to get top 8. No? So, yung player na yon to be determined pa. Malalaman na lang natin. Pag nagyari siya, saka natin siya shout out.
Sige.
Pero I want this person to get top 8 in one of the set champs. That is the goal. No? So we'll be working towards that. No? So if you do,
Let's
aside from
go.
your deck, you should bring your accessories. No? So please do not forget to bring your dice. No? Your dice, according to the rules, should be polyhedral. No? So kailangan na set mo siya on the side. No? So ideally, it's the six-sided dice. You could use the other sided die, but para sa akin, para madali, six-sided die is okay. No? So you can also bring a playmat. No? Playmat, you have to be careful with the playmat that you bring depending on the store. No? So no playmats that are tawag mo nun,
Explicit.
explicit. No playmats that are for other TCGs.
Yeah, ayan pa
Ito
pala.
medyo 50-50 ako, depende sa store, but according to the rules and the judge might call for it kapag iba yung playmat ninyo. So just maybe bring a generic one or something that does not relate to another TCG.
Pwedeng
That's
custom artwork, mga paborito
pwedeng
nyong...
custom artwork. Custom artwork for not, but still not for other
Yeah.
TCG.
Yeah,
Should be
halimbawa,
generic or should be like pop culture or whatever.
paborito
No?
mong K-pop,
So,
ayan, di ba?
pwedeng paborito mong K-pop, ganun, no? Kasi yun, wala namang kinalaman yun sa sa another game. So again, ito on the fence, posibleng meron, posibleng hindi, depending on the judge that is there on the day.
Yes.
Pero yun nga, parang the reason why we would want to encourage people to use official things is that we're preparing for DLC Manila din. So this is practice for everybody that is aiming for DLC Manila na join kayo. Kasi doon, sure yun may magbabantay. So
Yeah.
might as well practice now in an official capacity.
Yeah.
No?
Assume that you're playing in the DLCs.
Assume that you're
Gonna
playing
assume.
the DLC.
And isa pa pala,
Yung mga,
add ko lang sa life counter, no? Okay lang na gamitin mo yung life counter na nasa phone, but be mindful of your phone's battery. Lalo na kung siya talaga yung main phone mo na gagamitin mo para makauwi kasi kailangan mong mag-hail ng ride-hailing service or whatever. Tsaka kailangan mo ng communication. So, if you're going to use an electronic life counter, make sure that you have the batteries. Or kung ayaw mo mag-worry about batteries, meron naman yung mga paper life counters.
yep,
Yun.
paper life. Or you could just have paper and write your
Yes.
lore there. Ano rin siya. Just have paper ready, sulatin nyo doon para natatrack nyo din. Okay, so you should also bring some storage, your binders, because it's very possible that people will have things for sale, things for trade. So, syempre mahirap yung maghahanap ka ng bigla. Gusto ko lalagay yung mga cards kasi baka mayupi sa bag. No? It has happened to me once. No? So, kailangan ready. So, meron akong extra storage to where I chuck all the cards para safe sila pag iuwi ko. No? And of course, most important is you should have your RPH account ready because we will be using the official RPH
Ravensburger Play.
software, Ravensburger software. So, kailangan niya mag-register doon. And doon siya ibibigay yung pairings and magre-report. And doon na rin sasabihin kung magta-top 8 man or hindi. So, what to expect from set champs? No? So, of course, since it's an official event, there's no way for us to cut down on the rounds. No? So, kung 8 players, it's 3 rounds. If it's 9 to 15 players, it's 4. No? Kapag nag-16 and above, it's 5 rounds. Tapos may cut to top 4, may cut to top 8 pa yan. So, depending on the number of players who are joining, posibleng matagal talaga yung
Yeah.
time commitment ninyo.
It's gonna be a
No,
long
and
day. So prepare at
yes,
least 8 hours of your day.
mga
Ganun.
ganon. If
Six
you're
to eight
planning to
hours of
go,
your day if you want to go all the way.
the rounds usually last at a minimum 50 minutes. Taking note pa of whether or not mag-extend yung mga tao because of the last 5
Yeah.
turns.
Mga
No?
1 hour. I give
So,
or take
yeah.
1 hour
Tapos yung mga
per round.
top cut untimed. So talagang tinatapos nila yun. So just be aware that there is a time commitment to this one. Usually naman nagsa-start yung set champs at 1. Yun yung napansin namin na sila schedule. So roughly matatapos kayo mga 8 p.m. na, 7 kung swerte, 7, 8 ka.
Depende nga
Kapag
sa ano.
marami talaga,
Lalo na pag
kapag
yun nga,
marami talaga kayo.
if you make it to the top 8, if you make it to the top cut, mas matagal ka doon syempre. And since it's untimed, medyo magtatagal nga kayo. So, yeah, 8, 9, you're gonna be there for quite a while. But, of course, you're gonna have some fun. You're gonna be among friends. So, I hope it's worthwhile din para
Or
sa inyo.
enemies.
Enemies, grabe.
Enemies.
Wala naman tayong
Rivals.
enemies. Rivals,
Siguro.
okay. Hindi naman enemy ang rival. A rival makes you better. An enemy makes you bitter. A rival makes you better. Oh, di ba?
Enemies pala.
Ay, bitter. Bitter si Lorgan Tito.
Oo.
Sige.
Mabilis lang naman yung environment eh. So, just know that since there are many people who are there, magulo siya. No? It could get noisy. It could get hectic. No? So, very possible na hindi ka makikipag-socialize with other people depending on the deck that you bring. If you bring a fast deck, then kahit 20 minutes tapos na kayo, yung iba abutin sila ng 50.
Chikahan na lang
So,
kayo pagkatapos.
tiyaga na lang. So, depende rin yan. If you want to chillax, then bring a fast deck. Kung gusto mong sabugan ng utak, then bring a control deck. Blue gradient or whatnot. No? So, yan. Balik na tayo sa competition. No? So, since this is an official event, it will be a little bit stricter. No? So, babalik tayo dun. We have a slide about like common things that you have to look out for.
Yeah.
No? Kasi
We're gonna
posibleng ma-disqualify kayo for doing things that are okay in casuals but are not okay in competitive. No? So expect that people will not be nice and walang take backsies
Yeah.
dito. No? So pag may ginawa ka, most likely yun na yun. So
Yeah.
kailangan yung pag-isipan ng mabuti.
And it's not like they're gonna be hostile, but they're just gonna be more competitive. Diba? Mas
Competitive.
kumbaga, they're gonna be more looking out for things that you usually do sa mga weeklies na pinapalusot, pero ngayon, I doubt na papalusin because the stakes are higher.
The stakes are higher, yes. And yun nga, para again, practice tayo kasi kung mga DLC, kalaban natin, mga international players, talagang sila cutthroat din. Hindi sila pumunta dito sa Pilipinas para magpatalo. No? So, kailangan din, A-game ka palagi.
Yes.
So, with strictness comes rulings, no? So, the judge will be there. A judge will not play. So, may isang tao talaga na nandyan that will parang lord over everyone, no? And give rulings, no? You may not be favorable to you kasi baka mali yung pagkaintindi mo sa card, but people will be stricter, no? So just be aware of some general rules, no? Yung mga common things na kailangan mong i-check. Again, we'll look at infractions, no? So just try to play as well as you can and be aware of the cards at least in your deck kung paano siya nag-interact. Kasi syempre, kung deck mo, kailangan alam mo kung paano siya gumagana. Hindi yung pagdating mo doon parang ano ba tong ginagawa ng card ko nito?
Read the
Na
cards.
mahirap kasi deck mo yun eh. No? And of course, yung meta, it's going to be a long discussion, but I'll just reiterate what I said from last time. The meta in the Philippines is not the same as the international. we will probably have a wider spread of decks, a lot of rogue decks, no? At this point in time, kasi hindi pa talaga tayo saturated ng cards, no? But there will be imperfect versions. There will be some people with perfect versions of it, but hindi siya yung tipong overflowing na lahat na lang ng tao ganun yung gamit. So just be aware that people will probably have not so complete decks yet. No. Kahit yung mga veteran players, minsan kulang pa din sila ng cards eh. So they won't be at firing at 100%. There will be some, but not
Not
all.
all.
So not all.
Mm,
Just be aware of the more powerful decks
mm.
and be aware of certain decks na could suddenly pop out, no? So kung malas talaga malas, kung hindi meta din, you have to really deal with it and play the best as you can. So since lahat tayo naglalaro in a competitive environment, we have to act in a certain way, no? So
Yes.
yung
Tana.
proper decorum is looked at. So
Mr. Chair,
this is
Mr. Chair.
one
Hindi
this
naman
one
ganun.
is hindi naman gano'n, no? So very possible that your opponent will call a judge on you if you are not playing uh, nice, no? So sa casual posibleng warning lang. Dito kasi posibleng maano ka
DQ.
ay sa casual puwedeng caution lang.
Mm.
Dito kasi puwedeng ma-warning ka, no?
Or DQ at
Kasi
worst.
well, 2 warnings is a DQ.
DQ. Yeah.
Game loss. Game loss. Another one will DQ. So depende sa judge.
Okay.
But we have to sana hindi na tayo umabot sa point na yun.
Yes. And that's
Diba?
why we're here to discuss the etiquette. Baka hindi na tayo din
Oo.
umabot sa,
Oo.
sa point na
Kasi
yun.
baka yung iba na na parang akala nyo okay lang pero in a more competitive environment, biglang hindi pala siya ganun ka okay. No, so just be nice, be cordial. No? So greetings, handshakes, swifts, bumps, GGs.
GG's.
No, is welcome. No, and you have to watch your language kasi we'll have some children playing with us. I'm pretty sure that the kids will come out.
Yeah.
No?
Dito rin eh.
The
Nahihirapan
usual
din ako
kids.
dyan eh. Nahihirapan din ako dyan sa ano na yan. Minsan kasi syempre, nadadala ka ng emosyon, you're gonna throw out an adult word or two. Pero I try to, to be aware of it.
Mm.
So yun, just
So
watch your language.
kung masama yung mood mo, do your best to handle it. Again, sinabi namin, kung talo ka sa bata, ganun talaga. Lorcana is a game that can really play to the strengths of kids din. Lalo na kapag adult sila, no? Generally, you have to communicate well, no? So, aside from being nice, no, yung mga actions na ginagawa mo, you call the attention of your opponent, no? So, drawing a card, yung ready, set, draw.
Draw.
Kung kaya mo siyang i-call mo siya, no? When you're inking a card, make sure that you show your opponent what card you're inking,
Just to
no?
make sure it's inkable.
Just to make sure that it's inkable. May mga tao kasi na ink diretso parang hindi pinapakita,
Mhm.
no? So, pwede kayong ma-call doon, no? So, kung nakasanayan ninyo, baka kailangan ninyong mag-readjust. So, you have to make sure na yung mga actions are clearly seen by your opponent. So, passing the turn is also something that you have to be clear about. Kasi parang there are instances na kung saan pareho kayo nagtitinginan, tapos yun pala nag-pass ka na, tapos yung opponent mo hindi niya alam, hindi niya narinig. So, nasasayang yung oras. No? So, that's also something that you have to look out for. So, a general rule is if you're doing something, you declare it. And when you declare it, just know na hindi na siya nababawi. Well, kung yung kalaban mo mabait, baka pumayag.
Mhm.
But just expect that not everybody will be nice.
And since it's set champs, even those people who were nice before, baka hindi na sila maging ganun ka
Yes,
maging
that's
ganun ka
correct.
hindi naman sa they're still gonna be nice about it, but they're not gonna
Yep.
be tolerated as much. They're gonna be like, ay,
No.
sorry sir, kasi
Sorry kasi, yep,
nagawa mo na eh. So yun,
nagawa
guess
mo
ganun
na.
sila. They're not gonna be like, oy, hindi naman sila hostile. They're just gonna be a bit less tolerating of those mistakes. And they're gonna call
Mistakes,
you out
yes.
on it nicely naman. So, hindi naman sila parang nang-aaway.
Mm-mm.
Yun lang yung expectation.
Mm-mm.
But, that's why we communicate well para maganda din yung flow ng game. You all keep the game state correct. And we will talk about
Yep.
that moving on then. So, ako sa experience ko din, minsan, di ba, nung naglaro tayo recently, Ian, di ba, minsan, ako, parang eye gesture, pero hindi mo pala nakikita. So, yun, nagtitingilan lang tayo. Ay, sasabihin mo, ay, nag-pass ka na. Okay, sige. So, ako din, I need to develop myself the habit of saying, pass the turn, sir, be more verbal. Kasi usually, sa mga ibang experience ko sa TCG, sometimes I just do the double tap on the table and sometimes they would take that. Pero there are some people who might not be
No.
knowledgeable of those gestures, lalo na yung mga medyo bago-bago pa. So better to be able to communicate that. And please don't take advantage of newbies na ganun naman, na hindi nila alam. So just be clear about your intentions on the actions and whatever you're doing. And kung yung mga cards nyo hindi din alam nung kalaban, just be courteous lang na, uy, okay, sige, eto, pakita ko sa'yo, pabasa kayo. I'll give you time to digest the card. And if I need to explain the card to you, that's fine.
So, of course, just to continue, no?
Ayun,
So,
good dovetail.
since
Handling.
we'll be handling other people's stuff, no? Kailangan mo mag-ask ng permission. So, syempre, hindi nyo kasi yun card. So,
Mhm.
kailangan ninyong mag-ingat, no?
Mm.
Also, try to be careful of the cards, no? So, you have the prerogative to shuffle your opponent's deck. No? So, pag shuffle nila yung deck, tas in-offer siya sa'yo, actually, pwede mong kunin yung buo and you also shuffle it. No?
Yeah,
Pwede
not just a
yon.
cut.
It's hindi siya cut. Parang, depende kung okay ka with the cut din, okay lang ng cut. Pero shuffling is also allowed. And within reason na so hindi ka pwede pagtawag na, "Uy, Judge, shuffle yung deck ko." Hindi pwede yon. No? Hindi mo pwede i-call yung kalaban mo for shuffling your deck because that is allowed. No? So just you have to be careful about the cards. Pag
Yeah.
pinatapik na uhulog, we'll get to that later. No? Pero part of just you being careful of the whole game state and just
Actually,
handling
yun
it.
nga. Also be careful of the cards. If you're offered to shuffle not your cards, be careful when you shuffle.
Oo,
Wag mo
kasi wag mong
yung
ganunin kasi
yung bridge
although
shuffle.
pwede mo siyang gawing strategy to tilt your opponent, pero
pro moves
Judge,
na yun. Pro moves.
pro moves, no? Pero parang yun nga, part of good behavior is to be courteous. So,
Yeah.
somebody can call a judge if you are being hard on your card. They're being hard on your cards.
Mm.
Kasi disrespectful yun eh
Mm.
to the player. And syempre, if you're being hard on the cards, there's a high possibility na kapag na-mishandle mo siya, may mayuyupi,
May
merong
madadamage
may madadamage, and it will be called not because of you damaging the card, but it's also negative for the player. Kasi ngayon, hindi niya na magagamit yung card na yon kasi mako-consider na siya as
Mark.
marked. Yeah.
Mark
So,
cards.
siya, parang nakakos ka ng distress to the owner
Yeah.
kasi sa action na ginawa mo. So, madi-DQ siya posible kapag hindi niya napalitan yon kasi kailangan hindi folded, hindi obvious na may wrong with the card.
Not just the
So,
cards,
you
pati sa
gave
sleeves.
sa sleeves din. So, the
Pag nagasgas mo
unnecessary
yung sleeves.
stress that the
Diba?
player gets from you handling will get both of you in trouble. No? So, again, yung bad behavior is also recorded. So, posibleng maban kayo. The stores can also
The
ban.
extreme case. Pero
Yun na yung
let's try to
extreme case.
be cordial about it. Diba? Let's try to be
Posibleng
nice about it.
kasi kapag repeat offender ka, stores will be will be forced to take action kasi parang hindi ka nagiging magandang part of the community and nobody would want na to play with you,
Yeah.
ganon.
They will have to deliver justice.
Oo. Again, kailangan lang natin maging mabait. Sometimes it's accidental, no? So parang ngayon pa lang sinasabi namin na para maiwasan na siya, just be careful. Especially if you're dealing with other people's stuff. Pati yung sa inyo. no? So be careful as you are playing. Minsan yung mga tao, they sleeve their cards with new sleeves. I would highly discourage bringing new sleeves to the set
Mga
champs.
battle-tested sleeves na dapat.
Sana battle-tested
Mm.
sleeves. Bakit? Kasi yung new sleeves madulas, no? And yun nga, it could cause your opponent as they're shuffling na masumabog yung deck. Oh, that's one. No, kapag sumabog yung deck tapos may cards na hindi nasama, which is also an infraction, no? So next is that kapag bago yung sleeves, baka konting galaw nyo lang mauhulog.
Oo.
Pag nahulog yung cards ninyo, actually can also be a cause for
Yeah.
warning or caution,
Mhm.
no? Kasi dapat keep again the game in a correct way. Yes, aksidente nahulog, pero parang some people will consider that as cheating or manipulation, no? And in some instances is ganun nga yung nangyari, no? So para lang maiwasan na wag na natin siyang gawin.
Yes. And
So
also,
ideally, sige,
speaking of sleeves din, di ba? Dala na rin kayo ng extra sleeves. Para in
extra
case
sleeves. Yes, correct.
na pareho nung dala-dala nyo. Kasi just in case nga na may masira sa sleeves nyo, kasi baka hindi ka makapag-continue mag-play kasi
Yes,
considered na siyang mark card.
Mark.
At baka hindi ka
Oo.
na i-allow na maglaro pa kasi hindi nagkaroon ka na ng isang card na pwede mong ma-distinguish from the
Yep,
others. So
that
better
is
if you have
correct.
sleeves na pareho na kapareho nung dala-dala nyo, mga extra, kung pwede nyong doblehin yan, okay lang. Pero in our experience, maybe 5 or 10 extra sleeves of the same kind would be enough para at least in case those accidents do happen, ready kayo at makakapaglaro pa rin kayo.
10 I think is extreme pero parang syempre kung prepper ka,
Oh, kung
might as
prepper ka,
well,
might as
'di
well.
ba?
And if you're going
Might as
through
well.
that many rounds, you might as well.
Yeah.
Okay, ito na.
So, moving on kasi very
Spectators.
very possible na na matapos kayo sa rounds niyo na early or
Yan.
actually even if you are just there not playing and just observing, may
Mm-hmm.
vibes ka lang.
Mm-hmm.
There are some things that you can and cannot do,
Yeah.
no? So again, as much as possible, manood lang kayo,
Mm-hmm.
wag kayo magko-comment, no? Sometimes there you have the urge to parang, uy, may ganito si ganyan, no? So nagkukwentuhan kayo. It would be best to keep those discussions out of
Away
while
from the
they are playing,
players. Yeah.
away from the players kasi you might intentionally be giving information to them that could help them win the game or
Or
lose the
lose.
game, ganon. Yon. So parang very possible na magko-call din ng judge,
Mm-hmm.
ganon. No? So the judge has the prerogative to do certain things para lang safe for everybody. No? You wouldn't want to get people disqualified, no? Again, kung intentional mo siyang ginagawa, then ikaw, again, you get banned, you can get removed. No? So, ayaw natin ng ganun yung mangyayari.
Yeah.
So, just avoid talking as much as possible. Just be silent as a mouse,
Pati
no?
pati yung mga reaction, halimbawa maganda yung top deck ng pinanood mo, tapos bigla ka ooh, di ba? Parang
Oo, wala, oo,
medyo
mahirap din
mahirap
yun.
na din yun.
Oo, mahirap din yun.
I mean sometimes mahirap gawin kasi like since teammate kami ni Ian, no? Tapos madalas kasi ako yung mas mabilis natatapos. Madalas ako yung nanonood. So, yun din yung ginagawa ko. I try to be as quiet. Minsan, nahihirapan din ako pag naka-top deck siya na maganda. Like, gaganon ako. Pero pag, halimbawa, like yung nakuha mo yung, yung Donald na magician.
Mm,
Nangyari yun. Gusto ko mag-react nun. Pero nung binaba mo na, tsaka ako nag-react. Parang ganun dun ko nilabas. Kung baga,
yeah.
pagbaba na, okay, sige. Parang gusto ko ka, pag nababa na niya yung card, tapos maganda yung nangyari, pwede ka na magsabi na, that's a nice play. Pwede mo na sabihin yun. You can express yourself. Pero, habang things are going on, recognize those moments na just keep quiet, keep your reactions to yourself. Especially if you're watching a teammate. They might rule it as cheating, basically. So,
Very
yun yung
possible.
mahirap
Outside
doon. Outside
interference.
interference ka nun eh. Lalo na pag alam ng judge na teammate kayo and kami naman because Ian and I almost always go to tournaments together. Alam nilang teammate kami. So yun din. Be careful kasi you might cost your teammate a win if masyado kang expressive sa sa panonood.
Yes. So,
However,
however,
ito
as
na.
a spectator, you are allowed to intervene in
Mm.
certain
Ito nangyari
cases,
din
no?
sa atin
So,
to recently, di ba? Anyway,
yes,
explain
nangyari
ka
siya.
muna, and then
So,
ikakwento mo.
but it should be followed in this specific order.
Mm,
So if you notice something that should not have happened,
mm,
no, then you tell the players to stop playing and then call a judge.
mm.
Yun siya. So, ano ba yung mga instances na kailangan mag-call ng judge?
Ayun, ito
So,
ano
let's say for example, meron kang isang character na 4 yung toughness, 4 yung willpower, tapos nagkaroon siya ng 3 damage, tas linagay mo siya sa sa discard.
Mm. Yun na
That
exactly
that
nangyari dun sa
that
ano,
specifically happened to me na parang sobrang sabaw ko na, 'no, ah I killed a character that's not supposed
supposed to
to
be.
be killed, no? So, ang tawag kasi dun is not keeping the game state correct,
Mhm.
no? So, as a ano, as a outside ano, as an outside
Spectator, yes.
spectator, no? You can call na
Mm.
parang, okay, ito yung nangyari, no? And actually, ang mangyayari, posible dyan is both players can get caution
Caution. Oo.
or warning, depende sa gravity
Mm.
of the not keeping the game
Yeah.
state correct, no? Kasi parang dapat ikaw as the player, alam mo kung ano yung nangyayari. And
Yeah.
as the opponent, parang syempre nakita mo nangyari siya. Even though sometimes it is
To your advantage,
advantageous
di
to
ba?
you, dapat kino-call mo siya. Kasi parang kung pinabayaan mo siya tas parang nabalikan, especially eventually we might have games where people are recording,
Mhm.
'no?
Yun.
'Pag nabalikan siya tas sinabi, "Oh, ba't hindi mo kinol 'yun?" Baka ikaw din posibleng ma-call for not keeping the board state correct,
Mm.
'no? Because it is the duty of both players to do it. So, parang kahit na advantageous sa'yo, posibleng ma-warningan ka din. Again, 2 warnings could result in a game loss, and you wouldn't want that, 'no? Pero hanggang dun lang yung puwedeng gawin nung ano,
Mm.
nung outside, help, 'no?
Yan.
So,
And gusto ko lang din i-add, ikwento ko lang yung nangyari. Nag-challenge si Ian with a 4-4. Yung binangga niya is a 3-4, pero pinatay pa rin niya yung 4-4. Pinatay ni Ian yung 4-4. So, I had to step in and say, ay, teka lang, bakit namatay si ano?
well,
Sino ba yun?
the order of ano should have been you should have called a judge
Yeah.
tapos
Ano
ano,
yun, weeklies lang yun, so tayo
sa
judge na
bagay
din yun eh.
weeklies lang yun
Pero
pero
yun nga,
ano,
in a bigger setting,
in a
so
bigger
parang
setting.
teka lang, you might have ask both players nicely na parang, teka lang po tawag lang tayong judge kasi may nakita ako nangyari.
Mm.
So yun, and then,
Pero if that happened in set champs, me and my opponent would probably get caution. Pareho kami. Usually if it's an outsider that will tell you na parang ano, then both players get caution kasi hindi kinip ng players yung game state. It's more about practice rather than anything else, no? Kasi kapag kino-call out yung mga hindi mo na 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 naki-keep correct, then next time hindi mo na siya gagawin. So you turn out to be a better player after, 'no? So ako
because you get
recommend
feed for
ko,
it.
oo,
You get
it
spanked.
makes you a better player
Yeah.
rin.
Negative enforcement.
Oo.
Negative reinforcement.
But for casuals, gano'n,
Yeah.
weeklies, I think the weekly level where people are a little bit more, parang forgiving, 'no?
Yeah.
Call out niyo na lang maybe after the game, but like it's fine for casuals. But if for set champs, most likely kailangan ng ano lang,
Stricter.
mas maayos na ano,
Yeah.
mas strict, 'no? Okay?
Ano, yung
So,
more following the protocols rather than just being very casual about it.
yes,
Yeah.
correct. So, ang ano natin dito, just to add, of course, is kung marami na kami nasabi ng mga cautions and warnings, so since again, it's considered a competitive event, these are the common things that people forget,
Yeah.
no? That can cause a warning or a caution. Maybe just to ano, to reiterate what a caution versus a warning is, 'no? Yung caution is ano lang siya, parang reminder siya. It's not something that will be negative, that will negatively affect a player, no?
Not
But
yet.
a warning is only given once, no? And again, the second time that you are given a warning,
Game loss.
you get a game loss. So, syempre, minsan, malaking bagay yung one game loss.
Be careful, you don't want to get warnings. Cautions, medyo okay. It just means na mainit pa kayo sa mata ng mga judge.
Yes.
Pero yung warning, yun talaga, meron na siyang, shall we say, ano ba
Bahid.
to? May
May
consequence na
bahid
talaga
ka
siya.
na. No?
May
May bahid
consequence na
ka
siya
na.
dun sa tournament. Pwede ka
Mm.
nang ma-penalize or you're close to being penalized.
Okay, so yun nga, ang common is you ink twice
Mhm.
during a turn. So it happens even to the best of players. So the best way for me to prevent double inking is that I think you also have to make it a habit. And people have been advocating to add this to the rules, of official rules as
Actually,
well.
I would
So when you
agree.
are inking, you put the card face up. Yun na muna.
Mm.
No? Para alam mo na kapag ink ka na for the turn. And when you end your turn,
Doon mo siya
that's the only
i-face down.
time that you free flip pabalik.
Mhm.
No? So that is the best way to prevent double inking. Parang, nag-ink na ba ako? Ganon. No? Kasi posibleng yung opponent mo is keeping track, tapos parang, nag-ink ka na eh, di ba? Tapos call
Mhm.
judge. Tapos, wala,
At
mahirap
least
na.
alam na pag
So,
nakita mo na naka-face up yung card, ibig sabihin, nag-ink ka na.
nag-ink ka na for the
Ah.
third. No? So again, minsan drawing twice, no? And this is maybe kasi nadodoble ka kasi parang may kumausap sa iyo, magulo. So naka-ano rin siya, naka-distract, no? So you can't look at face down cards, no? So kapag inik mo na 'yan, nandiyan na siya, bawal mong silipin. So 'yon, as you said earlier, cards that fall off the play area would constitute as a warning. Depende rin kasi sa ano sa state of, no?
Mm.
Especially kapag na sagi mo tapos the card ends up face up at the floor, 'di ba?
Like galing sa inkwell or deck. Pero kung nasa board na siya, medyo okay pa yun, I guess. Pero pag
I
yung
guess
inkwell or deck na naka-face down tapos nalaglag, then that is definitely going to get you a caution or a warning depending on
ang
the
issue rin
judge.
is minsan yung mga tao na papaghalo nila yung inkwell nila in their hand kapag nalagay
Mm.
nila on the table. So
Ayun.
kailangan nyo rin pag-ingatan 'yan.
Nangyari na
No?
sa akin yun. Buti na lang hindi sa tournament.
So again, we're saying these things kasi ito yung mga bagay na kailangan ninyong i-check yourself. Kasi nga, first time magkaroon ng medyo competitive na environment. Even our previous parang community tournaments weren't this strict. Pero yun nga, since may official na tayo,
Yeah, we need to get used to
nag-upgrade na
it.
siya ng
Yeah.
konti. Oo.
We need to get used to
So,
these stricter protocols.
So this one is very tricky to discuss, but
Slow play.
ang masasabi ko na lang is please play at a considerable and okay pace. No? Please do not try to play very long on your turns. I know that there might be turns that are very crucial. No? I think kaya naman ma-determine ng both player kapag medyo alanganin yung game state. Especially kunwari, parang nababa mo na lahat ng characters mo, wala ka ng ink na gagamitin, tas parang nakatingin ka pa, minsan ano yan. So, if you're deciding, siguro maganda rin na i-communicate na, sorry, isipin ko lang kung mag-request ba ako o hindi. Parang ganun, no? Kasi kung ano na lang yung nare-remain na action, so that your opponent will also know kung may nangyayari.
At
Kasi
least be verbal
people
with what
could,
you're thinking. That you're
well,
thinking. That be verbal. That
again,
you're thinking, not what you're thinking.
Kaya nga mahirap itong na to
Yeah.
mahirap itong topic na to eh. Even sina Zan has talked about slow play na parang minsan yung kapag inorasan mo daw yung total play time niya during his turn mga 10 minutes lang tapos yung kalaban niya 30 minutes ganun. So it's still a topic that's very touchy and has been all a touchy subject for a very long time. No?
Yeah.
So basta just ang recommendation na namin is try to play in a well enough pace that you don't hug the time. as you are playing. Maybe lastly is yun nga, parang just have fun. No? So since it's our first set champs now, we're all excited, we're all parang raring to go, no? And we just want everybody to enjoy. Kasi parang first time natin makukuha, first time tayo na magkakaroon ng ganitong klaseng support, and everybody's uh, happy to to get their prizes. No? So of course everybody wins at the end of the day
Participation
because you
prizes.
still have the participation prizes. And yung participation prize usually would also come with a pack kasi most stores will have that, no? So minsan kahit hindi ka nanalo ng set champ, pag nakakuha ka naman ng enchanted sa ano mo, ikaw pa rin yung
Yeah,
panalo.
panalo ka pa din
Minsan
dun.
ganun pa rin yun, no?
The
And of
real winner.
course, yung para sa akin is you get to play Lorcana. Minsan kasi yung mga tao, they just get their cards, parang they don't play, tapos parang, I need to have the perfect deck, tapos parang, okay, lumampas na yung set, tapos parang hindi mo siya nalaro. No? So, um, to get your money's worth of the cards that you are getting and collecting, ilaro nyo naman sila. Kasi kapag
Yes.
hindi nyo sila linalaro, di sayang yung oras ng
Y-
paghahanap.
You
No?
get more value playing them. Yun.
You get more
It's
value
extra
playing them.
value. Okay, may value na yung kinokollect mo siya, na admire mo, or tumataas yung presyo if you are like that. But imagine if you're still able to have fun with them. That adds a lot more to the value that you get from Lorcana.
Onwards and upwards, no? So just know that we have community questions. Again, we're still taking it. For now, we are collecting them pa,
Yes.
no?
We're still
And we
collecting them.
are marami na kami mga tanong na parang, uy, masarap pag-usapan yan, no? But again, since prizes are at stake, no, we might dedicate one episode just to answer all of these and maybe do a giveaway. We do not know, no?
What do you mean
But
maybe? We're definitely gonna do a giveaway. Ano maybe,
kasi
maybe? Mamimigay
maybe kasi
tayo.
maybe kasi yung isang tanong linagay ko rin para makuha ko yung prize mo.
Hayop ka.
No?
Collusion,
yung ano
collusion,
nga,
korpo, korpo.
yung parang princess box nga na sinabi mo dati, gusto ko ngang kunin eh. Mas lalo na ngayon.
O nga pala, yung
Na,
Princess Box, wala pa nakakakuha.
wala pa nga, wala pa
Wala pa.
lumalapit sa'yo kahit marami na nakakita sa'yo.
Oh, yun nga. Wala
Sayang naman
lumalapit
yun.
sa akin na humingi
No?
ng Princess Box.
Remind lang namin yung mga tao na may princess box pa rin na nandyan. No?
Oh,
So, please check the description and the socials for the link.
yes.
We'll provide it again. Tapos, please send your questions. Some questions we've read and they're super fun to answer.
Yes.
No?
We will answer them in future episodes.
So, again, just to reiterate, marami kaming pinag-usapan na technical today, no? And again, don't take our word for it because judges would have their own interpretation of certain things. Now, nakalagay sa official rules that the head judge still has the final say. So, para siyang deck mo, minsan swertihan. May mga judge na mabait, may mga judge na strikto, no? So, para ma-cover mo lahat ng mga bases mo, sana wag kang padalos-dalos.
Yeah.
Kasi
Assume a strict
kapag
judge. Yun na lang.
assume a strict judge and play correctly
Hmm.
the way that the game was made to play. No? So kung hindi ka naka-place ng okay sa set champs na 'to, may ibang set champs pa. Marami ka pang
Yes.
puwedeng puntahan, 'no? Well, I can't say for the ones in the province kasi isa lang yung set champs ninyo most likely. Puwede rin kayong dumayo sa ibang probinsya, puwede rin, 'no? Or pumunta kayo dito sa metro, we'd love to have you,
Yes,
'no?
definitely.
Or puwede rin kaming pumunta diyan sa inyo manggulo, 'di rin natin alam. Maybe in the future, 'no?
O, hindi pa
Katulad si
kaya
Sir
ng
Chino,
budget.
'di ba yung punta namin ng Cebu, 'di ba? Hinihintay pa namin 'yon, 'no?
Grabe. Online begging.
Hindi naman siya online begging, it's online collusion, 'no? So, in any case, 'no, I hope that you guys learned something from today, 'no? And, see you in set champs.
Yes, see you in Sep Champs. At that is it. Thank you very much sa mga taga-subaybay natin. Ako po si Lurkantito BJ.
At ako si Larkan Tito Ian.
See ya.
Bye-bye. Outies!